Mr. Planner's Kitchen and Bath provides bathroom renovation design services. They have the expertise to eliminate mold problems and remove old tile in bathrooms. Looking for a custom walk and shower size with a seat for your bathroom? Mr. Planners has a wide selection of surfaces that reduces mold and maintenance issues. Get longer lasting, beautiful bathroom showers. Vanities, countertops, tubs, stools, laundry rooms, and more. Contact us now to get your quote started for your bathroom remodel.